Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to change the Barclay card address, and it's very easy and simple to do this, guys. Okay, so all you need to do to change your Barclay card address is open up the Barclay card app or the Barclays app. Okay, log into the app, and then you want to select the profile icon you'll find at the top left of the homepage to check and manage your details. Okay, and if you're actually moving abroad, you can let them know by sending them a message from the help section of your app. Okay, or you can come here on your PC, click on contact us, and just know, guys, you'll need a UK address to continue using your Barclay card. But otherwise, it's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.